Hello and welcome to the Crypto Street Trading channel. Hope you guys are doing good and taking benefit from all the content that we are posting on our channel. So guys, this video is about fundamental analysis. We hope you will be liking our educational series and content that we are posting. So you can leave a comment and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can get all the latest updates. Okay, so this is about the previous video was about technical analysis, and this video is about fundamental analysis. We hope that using this knowledge you can definitely gain some experience and put this into your trading journey and become a success. All right, so fundamental analysis is a different technique from technical analysis, and in this we use this method to evaluate intrinsic value of a cryptocurrency by examining qualitative and quantitative factors. So in technical analysis we look into the price charts and historical data. On the other side, fundamental analysis looks deeper into the underlying factors that can affect the long-term value or the potential growth of a cryptocurrency. So we'll look into the different things, and for example, one of the major thing is project and technology. All right, so this is something different from a chart. This is like the fundamentals of any project or any stock. You can use this in different domains as well of the trading. So you will look into the project and technology. So the white paper. What is white paper? It outlines goals and use cases, technical details of a cryptocurrency, or in stocks you will look for the company, just like Apple or any other Microsoft. So you will look into the details. Everyone knows, but you can still, whatever you are going to invest in, you should read first. So this helps understanding the project vision and purpose. So what technology they are using in the blockchain, proof of work, proof of stake, and scalability, security features, uniqueness of protocol. So these things matter, and you should look for this as well. So what is the use case? How practical and useful is the project? A strong use case, for example, solving the real world problems, increases the potential of the value of cryptocurrency. So this is important, right? We definitely need to look into these things. So this is one thing, and the other thing is team and community. So developer team and the community support. So this thing is also important whenever you are choosing something. So for example, if you have a strong and credible team behind any project or any stock or any currency, whatever. I'm focusing on cryptocurrency more because we are for that here. So you can actually translate it into the stocks and in other domains as well. So I will use the terms for the cryptocurrency, our market. All right, so how experienced and transparent and credible team behind any project, and how strong is their community. So that is also put a crucial role in the growth of a cryptocurrency. And then definitely market demand and supply, which makes it which is the power of any coin, that how much there is a demand for any specific coin in the market. So tokenomics, and if you see the factors like total supply, circulating supply, token burning mechanism, these are the important things in determining what is going to be the supply, what is going to be the demand of any cryptocurrency. All right, so there are various other things as well, like adoption, or the institutional investors are behind, or is there any good or powerful, you can say, some integration with other platforms which can lead to further demand as well, or as we have said previously, that they are going to be used in some real world applications. So that is also a kind of thing that increases the demand. All right, so this is important. And definitely one other thing is how easy it is to buy or sell a cryptocurrency, and without so liquidity. This concept is called liquidity, basically. So whenever you wanted to buy, you can buy, and whenever you wanted to sell, you can sell. So there is buyer and seller continuously available for currency in the market. So this thing also makes a good user case for any specific coin or project. All right, we will look into the partnerships and adoptions, and this world is this is also a very important thing, like collaboration with established companies, governments, or the projects can boost credibility. So this is important. And real world application, as I have said before, like the payments and decentralized finance or gaming. So this is something that puts more power into any specific coin or technology. All of them are software, so they use in cryptocurrency I'm talking about. So how good they are and how beneficial they could be for the world or the developing world, definitely. So this makes it a real good scenario. All these things fall into the fundamental analysis. When you look into these things, you will definitely find a gem, and you will definitely get benefit of that as well. And the market share, the next thing is market share. How much the market does the cryptocurrency capture compared to the other competitors. So this is important. And the regulatory environment, all right, the compliance with the developments and in rules and regulations of different countries, how much it is compliant with their departments. So this is important as well. It is not specific to any one region, so this is important. Security and audits, this is another important thing, that how they are following the practices, so their users can feel secure and their currency is going to stay in the market. All right. And Onchainmetrix, we will see this like transaction volume, how frequently the cryptocurrency is being transacted on the blockchain. All right. And active addresses, what is active addresses? It is like the number of unique addresses involved in transaction indicates the level of network activity. So this is important as well. And hash rate for proof of work coins, and this is also a very good thing to look at. The overall computing power used to mine or secure the network reflects its security and stability. All right, so these are all the things that we compile and combine to do the fundamental analysis in the crypto world to find a good project, and you will definitely find a gem if you look into all these details. I think these are enough things that you should know and learn for any currency. And we will just conclude the video here. You can join our Discord as well. We are providing proper trading signals and all of the details. You can definitely take a benefit of that as well, and all the different analysis we are posting on our YouTube channel as well for the Bitcoin and other main cryptocurrencies like Doge and DOT and Ethereum and BNB. All of the major currencies, we are posting our analysis there. So that's fine. Join our Discord, join our community, be a successful crypto trader. We definitely want everyone to succeed in this world. Thank you very much for your time.